Wondering how to configure your smart fan? Follow these simple steps to make sure you can configure and operate your Crompton smart fan with ease. Firstly, download and install My Crompton app from Play Store or Apple Store. Open your My Crompton app on the phone and register with personal email ID. And tap on the Add button on the top right corner of your phone. Next, tap on the fan option on the menu slot on the left. Once that is done, select your required model. Ensure your fan is powered on. Flip the main switch to on position. After that, just press 5, then off, and then again 5 on your remote. The continuous beeping sound from the fan will tell you that the fan has entered pairing mode. Once this window opens, put in your Wi-Fi details and tap on the Confirm button. The app screen will show the scanning process to the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your fan to your app, and that enables you to control several features of your fan through your phone. For example, you could easily switch between the speeds of the fan and even put it in different modes. All this just via your My Crompton app. If the issue still persists, or for any other assistance, book a service appointment through our website or chatbot. Always prioritize safety when handling electrical appliances. If you're unsure about any step, please consult a professional electrician.